What's up, friends, and welcome to my very first YouTube video of all time, which is sure to be an incredibly painful experience that I will just drag you along every minute of. Ready? Okay, in this video, you're gonna learn two things from me. The first is whether or not this channel is even right for you, whether or not you should subscribe. The second is what you can expect from me. And at the end of this video, if anyone has stuck around till the end of this video, I will tell you a fun little story about why I'm freaking even here and filming this shit. Okay, moving on. So the first thing that I promised that you would learn is whether or not this channel is for you. Subscribe if you're an agent, if you want to invest in real estate but don't have time or energy because you're an agent, or if you want to optimize your business channels for you if you're already good but want to be great, or if you want to implement systems and you're not sure how. Or it also teaches you how to hire, how to organize, leverage, and then scale your business to the next level. So if you're a killer but you're drowning in the weeds, subscribe. Okay, the second thing that I promised you'd learn out of today's super cool video is what you can expect from me. So to my core, I am systems-based. I am organization all the time, efficiency, business building, and people skills. So those are the things that I'm going to be highlighting most on this channel. And eventually, with your newfound time and freedom that you have because you've implemented all these things, I'll talk about how you can use that extra time and money to invest in real estate. Got it? Okay, cool. So now for all 4 of you who are remaining and watch this video till the end, I will share that fun little cool story that I mentioned. Not that fun, not that cool, but you're here, so you're gonna learn. As you guys know, this is my very first YouTube video ever, and I don't know jack shit about YouTube. Like, I don't even watch YouTube videos, so this is such a stretch. Anyway, why am I filming this? It's because I'm a raving lunatic and cannot turn down a public challenge. Drew Matheson challenged me to a 2022 YouTube video showdown, and I must destroy him. So with that being said, I'm going to be posting new videos every Wednesday for all of 2022. You heard it here, you heard it now, it's happening. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. Best 8 minutes of your life, I freaking know it. Subscribe to my channel if you want more of this shit, except way better, I promise. And then comment below if you have any topics that you want me to cover. I am clean slate, open to recommendations, and want to make this like hyper productive for you guys. So see you next Wednesday.